Hello everyone, I welcome you back to the weekly analysis on TTFX channel. Right, before we go into the weekly review for 8 till 12 of November, we're going to be looking at what we reviewed last week excuse me, what we reviewed this week and how everything played out. Right, in case you are new to this channel, I will beg you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime we upload a new video. Right, so last week during the weekly analysis, if you can remember, we saw this Euro GBP pair where when I on the 4-hour time frame, and I noticed that price has already got into our entry zone already. That means the trade for this zone has activated, and the outcome of this analysis was this. So this was the zone, and that was how price moved away. Then we also talked about the analysis of GBP card on 1-hour time frame, where we were expecting price to gradually move to this zone, then we'll sell, but unfortunately price didn't get to this zone before dropping. So price continued like that, and afterward it dropped. It didn't get to our expected zone. Then we'll also talk about GBP NZD, and we're expecting price to come back to this zone, then we sell, but price moved up to this level and dropped, so it didn't get to our zone. So does that mean there was no trade analyzed apart from the Euro GBP for this week that was a success? No, we had some. Now look at gold. We said during the analysis of this week that we're expecting price to gradually move to this zone and sell, and this was the result. Price gradually moved here, touched the zone, and that was it, giving us over 250 pips. Right, then we also had, that was from the outcome of the analysis, but within the week we had some other setup that came up, and we're able to take, like AUD NZD on the 4-hour time frame. We observed this liquidity graph and a drop, and price gradually move up to this zone. So we'll mark up this zone. That price, our expectation was for price to get to this zone, then we'll sell, and this was the result. Price gradually moved to that zone and it dropped to our target. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Then we also had GBP JPY. This zone was marked out, and we're expecting price to get to this zone before we sell. Price gradually moved to this zone, and this was our result. So those were the trades that were taken on this setup. As earlier explained on my previous video, the weekly analysis is not a general analysis. It's based on the TTFS trading system. So our expectation is what we are going to discuss here. So we're looking at setup that are already in place for us to take as we enter the new week. So we'll start from gold in 30 minutes time frame. Now gold will be looking at 1-hour time frame, right? So I saw price giving a bullish momentum and suddenly drop to take out liquidity and push up. So our expectation is for price to gradually move down from here, and when it gets to this zone we're going to take our buy orders. Then apart from gold, we're also going to be looking at card CHF. So we marked out this zone already. We expected price to get to this zone and sell, but it almost get to the zone and drop. So hopefully we're expecting that from this point price will gradually move back to the zone, then we'll take our sell orders. If not, we allow it to go. We are also going to be looking at CAD JPY. On CAD JPY, we have seen the price grab liquidity here and drop to the downside. So our expectation is for price to gradually move up from here, get to the zone, then we'll take our sell trade. Then we do not have any setup currently for the 4-hour time frame, but we'll have some setups on the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we're going to be looking at BTC USD Bitcoin. So here we have marked out this zone, expecting that after this drop price will gradually move up to this zone and sell. But what we had here, price pushed up a bit and started dropping, so probably price may continue from this point back up to the zone, then we'll take a sell. If not, if it continues downward, it renders this setup invalid. And another pair we're going to be looking at is the USD JPY. On the 30 minutes time frame, we have seen the liquidity grab here and we saw this drop to the downside. So gradually we want to see price gradually move up back to this zone, then we'll take our sell trade. Right, so these are the setups that has emerged from this strategy, from our strategy. And hopefully as we enter the week, within the week, other setups will come up, and as they come up, we'll also post them on the free Telegram group. Some will be posted on the free Telegram group, and others will be posted on the mentorship group for discussion. So in case you want to join the mentorship group, please, you are free to join. To do that, contact me. My Telegram contact is on the description of this video. The description is below this video. So alright, so that is what we're looking at for the next week, and I wish you all the best. This week that just ended today was a good success to us. All our trades, not all, but the ones that were able to get to entry point, moved very well, and it was a great success, especially the gold trade that we took. Right, all right, thank you very much for watching, and do have a wonderful weekend, and I wish you luck as we enter the new week. Thank you.